Okay, now we in question two. In question two, they say that for what values of n will the roots be equal? Now, before we can do that, now remember from our previous question, we found out that x equals to the roots of the equation. It's x equals to minus n plus minus square root n squared minus 1764, and that is all over 18, right? And now when they say that for what values of n will the roots be equal, they basically speaking about this thing inside there, which in maths we refer to it, this thing here, we refer to it as the discriminant, right? And the way that we normally write it down in maths, we normally say a triangle like this equals to b squared minus 4ac. Now, when they're speaking about the values of the roots being equal, they're basically saying that our discriminant has to be equals to 0. Now, remember, what discriminant is this thing inside there, so we don't have to basically find our b, our a, and our c. We can basically just use what's inside there. So we're gonna just say n squared minus 1764 equals to 0, and then we could factorize that, but it's a bigger number, so we're just gonna say n squared equals to 1764. Now remember, in maths, to get rid of the root, we can basically just, to get rid of the square, I mean to say, we can just square root both sides. Sorry, square root both sides. And now also remember, when you do square root both sides, you gotta put a plus or a minus there. Then we're gonna get n equals to plus minus, let's use a calculator, square root of 1764, we get 42. All right, so basically the values of n for which the roots will be equal, it's either going to be n equals to 42 or n equals to minus 42. I hope that is understandable to you.